Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text to speech on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. For your information, the text to speech feature is a new feature on InShot. So to get this feature on your InShot application, make sure you have updated your InShot so you will get the newest version of InShot. Okay, here I have updated my InShot and I have got the text-to-speech feature, and I'm going to show you guys how we can use the feature on our InShot application. Okay, first of all, I'm going to open up my InShot and I'm going to create a new project, and I'm just going to select blank clip. Okay, and I'm going to add text to speech to this project. If you want to add text to speech, there are two methods we can try. The first one, you can add the text first and then you can turn it to the text to speech, or you can select the AI speech here and you'll be able to enter your text. Wait, I'm going to go to the text and then select the AI speech, and here you can enter or paste the text you would like to convert to speech. For example, I'm just going to type in hello like this, and then you can choose the voice. Wait.
Hi, this is my voice tone.
Okay, and then you can click on start to create the text to speech for your video. Okay, now it's done.
Hello.
And then the second method is typing the text first and then turn it to speech. You can select the text and then type in the text like this. And then you're going to click on the check mark and then select the AI speech. Okay, and you can turn your text into a speech. Oops, sorry. Click on the text and then you're going to select add speech. Okay, and select the voice you want to apply to the text to speech, and I'm just going to choose female.
This is my voice tone.
Okay. All right, and now
Hello.
the text to speech has been
Hello,
edited.
guys.
And even though you deleted the text, the voice or the audio will be still there on your project. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to add text to speech on InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.